Okay, for example, I'm going to go through this quicker because it's the same exact type of problem. We have, looks like an obtuse angle here, bigger sides and stuff like that, but the technique is pretty much the same. First thing, again, just for the sake of showing work, I'm going to establish what type of structure the triangle is, the given information. We have angle, side, angle structure this time. So again, on your homework paper, I want you to establish that every single time. When we get to 8.4, that's going to be law of cosines, and there's different structures necessary to use that. So I want you to really reinforce when you're working through these problems. I'm using law of sines because it's this structure. So angle, side, angle. I do not know angle C, so I need to find out what that is. So I'm going to put my answer box over here. Measure of angle C is equal to something. It wants me to find AC and AB to the nearest tenth. Just realize that says nearest tenth. I went to the nearest hundredth, so just follow the directions on the rounding. On that last problem, we should have rounded the nearest tenth, but we'll do it correctly on this one. So the angle measures of 46, 27, and C. This is 21. This is angle A, so I'm going to go across. This is going to be side lowercase a. This is angle B that go across. This is going to be side lowercase b. And again, first thing I'm going to do is find angle C. So measure of angle C plus 46 degrees plus 27 degrees equals 180 degrees. 46 and 27 makes 73, so it's going to be minus 73. Kind of maybe combine a couple steps there, do some mental addition. And then subtract, measure of angle C, 180 minus 73 is 107 degrees. So I'm going to, again, put that on my picture. I'm going to fill in over here, 107 degrees. Once I've established what angle C is, again, I just use law of sines. I'm going to go A over sine of 46 equals 21 over sine of 107 equals B over sine of 27. Don't get hung up on alphabetical order when you're doing these. I want A, C, B order. It doesn't matter, the fractions are all equal to each other. Whatever order you put them in doesn't matter. I did it purposely like this because I knew this was my fraction that had all the numbers in it. I could see very clearly that 21 and 107 were both known values, so I knew that fraction would have all known values in it. For me, if my work looks like this, then I've got this proportion here gets me A, and once again I want to establish the signs of those numbers. So if I get my calculator out again and evaluate, sine 46 is 0.7193. Sine of 107 is 0.9563, and sine of 27 is 0.45399, so 4540. Remember, in rounding rules, if you have to round a 9 up, it just makes that 9 go to the 0, the next number goes up 1, so 45399. This 9 makes 9 go up to 0, and then that 3 goes up to a 4. So, once again, I've got my blue box here. This product, 0.9563A, equals this product, which my calculator can evaluate, 21 times 0.7193. Is 15.1053. Divide that by 0.9563, and we get A is equal to 15.7955, so 15.8 if we're going to the nearest tenth. And then if I look at this proportion here, 0.9563B is equal to 21 times 0.4540. So that's 9.5, can't tell that's 3 or 8. I'm going to go 8, 9.584. Divide both sides by 0.9563. And that's going to be 9.96. That's 6 makes 9 go up to a 0, so it's 10.0 would be if we go to 1 decimal place, nearest 10. So, just like that, we've got all the information we're supposed to get. A is 15.8 and A is BC. So Find AC and AB. That should say, find AC and BC. All right, so BC is side A, so BC is 15.8, and AC is side B, and B is 10.0. And again, if you just put them down here, this is 10.0 here, of course, and this is 15.8 here. And look at the relationship between the size of the sides and the angle measures. Smallest angle 27, 10 is the smallest side. 46 is the second biggest, 15.8 second biggest side, 107 biggest, 21 is the biggest side. So again, just kind of a little quick check there. If those side measures and angle measures are in correct correlation, you probably did everything correct.